just an echo now, a faded Polaroid in time. I trace the cracks in our vows, where forever turned to dust and rhyme. The clock rewinds, but you don't stay, just static on a broken line. I scream your name in disarray, but silence wears your face tonight. I loved you in the neon dark, now I'm dancing with your ghost. Our symphony's a dying spark, and heaven's just the pain you chose. What's left of us, a hollow tune, a shadow waltzing round the moon. Your perfume haunts the empty sheets, a phantom warmth I can't let go. The stars we name now we defeat, their light is too frail to heal this snow. I built a shrine from maybes and ifs, but prayers dissolve like August rain. Our fingerprints still cling to cliffs you jumped, and I embrace the pain. Oh, my love, your winter's breath, a fleeting frost I can't forget. I'll freeze here in our silhouette, where us exists but never met. Your ghost, our symphony's a dying spark, and heaven's just the pain you chose. What's left of us, a hollow tune, a shadow waltzing round the moon. What's left of us, a hollow tune, a shadow